Hey everyone, this is Don with My Crypto Playground, and today I'm doing a quick video on how to remove liquidity from the Oracle Swap DEX from their pools and farms on Songbird Network. Now, before we keep going, I just want to let everybody know this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm just showing you what I'm doing with mine. So what we're going to do is using Bifrost wallet today, and I'll show you here on my phone. And just before we get started, I'll show you here, I've got currently 2100 Songbird and about 22,000 Pro. So what we're going to do is go over here to the Oracle Swap DEX and see, connect. I'm going to get rid of these little warnings here, and then you want to hit that top left menu. I'm going to go to farm, and I'm going to click on your farms. As you can see, I have a wrap Songbird Oracle farm going on right now, and got about 5,000 Songbird and 100,000 Oracle on there. So what I'm going to do now is remove my liquidity from this farm. So you want to click on staking up here on the top next to rewards, and then on stake liquidity, I'm going to hit that little tab right there. As you can see, kind of shifted over to the left, and when it does, those little the text goes to yellow. So what you want to do is click max right there, and then hit confirm withdraw, and wait to sign the transaction and close it out. And then that's it. You have now removed your liquidity, or you removed your stake from the farm. Now this is a part where it gets really confusing for everybody, is we're not done yet. So we're halfway done with the process. So if you go back over here, let's just show you. As you can see, nothing's changed. I still have my Songbird there, and I still have the same wrap Songbird and the same Pro right there. So what you have to do is go back to Oracle Swap. Let's do this all over again here. Then now you have to go to right under the swap link. You want to hit pool and then hit browse. And from there, it'll show you now your liquidity positions, because it went from staking and then into the pool. So now you want to go here, click that, and then you want to remove. And then when you remove, you just want to hit or make it 100% there, and then I'll tell you, okay, now it'll tell you you're going to receive, or I will receive back my 5,300 Songbird and 100,000-ish plus Oracle. So let's approve that, confirm, and then confirm the withdrawal, and definitely confirm again. Once that happens, that's done. Close it out. Transactions a go. Go back to your wallet. As you can see now, my Songbird has increased to 7,000, and my oh, actually, you know what? I totally messed that up. I was actually showing you my Pro tokens, and it shouldn't have been Pro tokens, it was Oracle. So if we go over here, there it is right there, my 102,000 Oracle got released. And so that's it. Really simple and quick, how to remove your liquidity from the liquidity pool and farms on Oracle Swap on Songbird Network. So thanks for joining me on this video. Hopefully that helps, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks, y'all.